Hey everybody, welcome back to RavenHawkTech. This is going to be a little different than my usual video. It's a product review video. We're going to be reviewing the product Geak OS, Geak space OS. What is this? It is a network attached storage, or NAS, operating system. And what it's going to do is it's going to take my Dell Optiplex 5050 running with an NVMe 256 gig drive and a 512 gig SSD and turn it into a NAS to be able to use for my home lab or my personal use or whatever. And I'm going to break this into a bit of a series because honestly this product is just has too many features for one video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a basic install. I'm going to time it because normal Linux installs run about 2 to 5 minutes, and I want to see where this one lands. So I'm going to do a timed video. If you want to skip ahead, the time code is going to be down on the comment section, or in the bar down here in the below, and it'll just skip ahead to the actual GUI where we review some of the features and setting up the drive and everything. Now, this machine was originally being used as a Proxmox host, and I'm going to be replacing it. Now, caveat, I've already did a couple of builds just to get a feel for it, so I'll walk you through those parts as we run into them. All right, let's get started. Now I'm going to Control Shift 9. I'm going to start this. Let's see how long it takes to do a full installation. All right, we're at the reboot stage. Now, real quick, I'm going to call this at 2:30, but you do have some options. You can change networking, you can set the root password. But 2:30, I think that's good. Once you go to the website provided in this CLI, you're going to create an admin account. In this case, I'm just going to create one using my first name and first initial and last name. Let's see, I do not have a referral code that I want to use just yet. Now, first thing it's going to do is it's going to want to go ahead and say, hey, I understand of course, and then of course it's going to want to do a firmware update. So we're going to go ahead and just say update now. Let it do its update. All right, we're back. Let's see. Okay, we are up to date. Now we want to do a create the storage. This guide here is pretty helpful. It'll walk you through some basic stuff to get you set up. Now, I've already used this system before, so you're going to notice a drive available here that's unmounted storage. Now, you can either click this, delete, or you could go ahead and go to disks, choose your disk, and then you can format it. Oh, I guess you first have to delete it, actually. So delete, and then you would put in the password. Okay, and now you can go ahead and click here and you can format the disk. Now in this case, all you have to do is go create storage, select your SDA. You have your option of basic, linear, or RAID 0. If you have more than one drive, you can choose RAID 0 or linear. I have one drive, so I'm just going to choose basic. Hit confirm, and then you're going to put your password in yet again. All right, now it's ready to use. Now, from here, you can do things, you can get to your network settings, network services, process, firmware update, system reset, all that fun stuff. If you have a better graphics card than what I have in mind, you can actually make use of that. Let me see, where was I? You go up here and then you go to App Center. You can actually use Olama, for example, and actually configure up an AI model along with, if I'm correct, Geek AI could also be more readily used. So some fun stuff to play with. Their application, I believe, is going to be growing here, and I'll find out the details on that. May touch on based on that a little bit more on later videos. Just as a closer, this was a review video. No money has changed hands, and the opinions are my own. I do like this product, and I do plan on doing additional videos on its extra features. So hopefully you guys got a good enjoyment out of this video. Please make sure to hit the like button if you did, dislike button if you don't. Leave me a comment of what you'd like to see next, and subscribe. I noticed that there's a good percentage of my viewers who are viewers and not subscribers. So if you would like to, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and click the bell so you get notified. Algorithm's constantly changing, so you never know. So if you're subscribed or not nowadays, so just double check. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. All right, see ya.